Hello, Jamaica and Caribbean friends. Welcome back to Atlantic Weather, Jamaica. Tonight, I've got your complete weather briefing. What's happening right now in Jamaica, what you can expect through tonight and into tomorrow, plus the very latest on that tropical wave in the Atlantic that could become our next named storm. So stay locked in because this is an important update. Jamaica tonight. Right now in Kingston, skies are cloudy and temperatures are sitting near 76 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 24 degrees Celsius. It's a cooler, more comfortable night compared to recent days, but the cloud cover is hanging around. As we move through the late night hours, expect skies to stay mostly cloudy, with overnight lows dipping into the low to mid-70s. It won't be cold, but definitely more comfortable for sleeping tonight. Looking ahead to Thursday. Now, what about tomorrow? Thursday morning will likely start off mostly cloudy across much of Jamaica, especially in eastern and central parishes. By midday, we could see some gradual clearing, and that will allow temperatures to climb quickly into the high 80s to around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. But here's the key. By afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible once again, especially over the interior and northern parishes. So if you're out on the roads or making any important plans, be prepared for pop-up downpours. By evening, skies should settle down somewhat, with temps back into the mid-80s. Still humid and sticky. Caribbean outlook. Across the wider Caribbean tonight and into tomorrow, we're seeing a very similar setup. Warm, humid air dominates, and that means afternoon thunderstorms remain possible, particularly over islands with higher terrain, like Hispaniola, Cuba, and Puerto Rico. Nothing unusual here, but the pattern does keep us unstable during the afternoons. Atlantic tropical wave update. Now let's turn to the Atlantic, where the big story continues to be that tropical wave moving off the coast of West Africa, near the Cabo Verde Islands. The National Hurricane Center is keeping a close eye on it. And here's what you need to know. In the next 48 hours, it has about a 40% chance of development. Over the next 7 days, those odds rise sharply to around 80%. If this system organizes further, it could become Tropical Storm Gabrielle sometime later this week or early next week. Models currently show it moving westward across the Atlantic. Some runs suggest a gradual northward curve, depending on how the Bermuda high and upper-level steering currents evolve. But with such warm waters in the Atlantic right now, and La Niña conditions lowering wind shear, this is a wave that really needs close monitoring. For Jamaica and the Caribbean, there's no immediate threat, but remember, storms that start near Africa often track westward, so we'll be watching it very carefully in the coming days. Summary. So to sum it all up tonight, Jamaica tonight, cloudy and comfortable with lows in the low 70s. Thursday, cloudy to start, warming to near 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with afternoon showers or storms possible, especially inland and in the north. Caribbean, warm and humid with afternoon thunderstorms. Atlantic, a wave near Africa has up to an 80% chance of development this week, likely our next named storm. That's your full Wednesday night update for September 3rd. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Drop your parish and what the skies look like where you are right now. Let's keep the community tracking together. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next update.